Hey guys, hey, welcome, what's up, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please go ahead to like, share and subscribe. But big up to all of the new supporters them. I see you guys, I see you out there. Thank you so much for joining this fam over here. Today is actually Monday, and I did a vlog that is previous to this day, but I'm not sure if I'm going to put that vlog up first or this one first. I'm not sure, but whichever one go up first, then you know, just still follow up on everything. So today is actually today, as I said, it's Monday, but today was graduation at school, and that's now through the door, and we're currently heading home. So I wore a short jacket suit. I insert a picture over here for you guys to see what that looks like. That suit is from Shein. However, as I say, if I upload the vlog I have before this one, I would know say my carry got all tight and everything. Yeah, come never like how it looked initially. So heading home, I have a few little school work to do. It is coming down to the end of the school year, and I am so excited. It is 4 days to the ending of the school year. 4 days. So July the 1st will be the last day of the year, and when that time reach, me just can't wait. Me just take relaxation to a next level. Just me always an idol, whether or not. Always up on YouTube, and what them really are looking at me and say, if light or internet should go, I literally don't have anything else to do, because I am a YouTube freak. That's all I do on a daily basis. So yeah, baby's here too. Seeing anything, babe? What are you seeing? What are you seeing? Is there anyone over here who can read them the language there? Comment down in the comment section, because we say you're saying anything him say. So I said, what are you saying him say? What are you saying? What I say, wagwan. What you do? Yeah, everything good. Yeah, Jenna, yeah. So baby, nice shirt. I was just telling him how nice this shirt is. It's a nice shirt, and you know, it look nice. So we just have part of the clothes left. Take off the jacket. There's somewhere around the background there, like every other clothes that dashed down around there. Because we had to get ready at school today. But at first it never seemed bad, but it worked out to be okay. You thought it worked out to be okay? Oh, and then other than that too, and I like we could have changed it, so whether or not we'd have to just work with it and make it be okay. Not true? Yeah. We had to get ready at school today. In our classroom. Yeah. Yes. Just make some students pass. Yeah. So maybe that's how I feel. The Starbucks. I don't know. If we go, then we'll make a know. If we at that side, then I'll let you guys know. Until then, there's not much to vlog. And then some keep on I say, yo, there's not much to vlog. So me not vlogging is like, if me did a vlog every day, it would be the same thing. Me I do every single day, because when me I go to school, I do the same thing. Just go to school, reach back home, and just do the same thing. The truth, it's like I same everything. Yeah, it was like, it's a routine. But this summer, the summer is on, and I said to myself that, you know what, I'm going to try and vlog and put out at least every other day vlogs for this summer. I keep on making all these promises, but I know how much me I go fulfill it. Because you know, see the man look like he get a road to come further. say somebody favor. The taxi man with somebody favor will drive the feel of that.
I mean by favor.
Remember a lady me tell me sit on the street and me tell her say she favor a taxi man and you say here Gregory.
I mean, you don't get no road to come further.
So when I run down here so?
A taxi man run?
Yeah, he might pick up somebody and find
Yeah, but he might run a trip, can he come outside the condo sitting and he might go back home. He don't do the same thing if he run taxi.
Say those when I know then I get the route.
Then me don't know, but if you route the car, you don't get no road.
Yeah, so guys, there's this new hotel building. Let me turn the camera because we're passing now too. On your way from St. Mary, it is before you approach the hotel, not the hotel, what was it? No, the airport. Ian Fleming Airport. This is it. It's a new hotel that is a building over here. If you ask me what the name is, I'm not sure. I don't know, but that's an update for those who might not know. And then, as I said, it is before you reach the airport. And if you're coming from Ochoa side, then it would be after you pass the airport. So I'm gonna show you the airport too, because a lot of persons don't even know that there are 3 airports in Jamaica. But this one, it's not like full on international. Well, what me gonna say international? I mean, like, you know, like the plane name.
So you know, look like the other one.
Look, would it be look or?
Look, you know, big like the other
yeah,
one.
it's not big like other one, but and
the big like
yeah, it's just like
small,
little tunji plane them. But I heard, you know, ears, I heard that coming March or something here. Remember we are here in November, but it's small we live up there, so.
Years.
No, it's small we live up there, so come from school. Yeah. There's March.
When you see it, that's the time it happens.
Alright, so this is the airport. I heard coming March is when they're going to have more flights coming in, but it won't be the extremely big ones, like, you know, Delta. It's going to be this. It's going to be the smaller flights. So here's the sign. That's the sign for it. And as I said, it's not as big as the others. But the runway goes, it's extended straight back out to the end out there further. Yep. So that's just the update for today. That's just the update for today. Oh, and as when I say a graduation, I got a gift from a parent. Let me share with Uno. My care thought I did the wrapping already. I got, it is a portable juicer, lightweight. Yeah, portable. Come again, the word portable. Oh, you know something I realized, it's a portable grizzle.
Can charge.
You charge it and you carry it go anywhere. That makes sense, because I was saying to Babe that me say, but me have one of these already, and Babe I say, like him say, you know, probably me didn't need one, that's why I get one. But me I say me have one already, but then I did not recognize that the word portable is the word that should stand out for the reason why I should really show how much I appreciate this, because the fact that me can just walk with it in my lunch kit, and if me buy fruits on the way or whatever, anything, you can just bring it and go. Not true? That's so nice. So a parent from the, because if you never know, I dealt with the students who were in grade 6. They're still in grade 6 because the term don't end until January the 1st. So I dealt with the students who are in grade 6. So you know, there would be oh, July the 1st, which is Friday. Missed it, maybe. So a parent gifted me this. And me that said yes, so she said to me, say, so I really want to thank that parent because I really do appreciate him. Let me show you when I box before me say so this is it. Just in case I think an empty box. See? Really nice. I'm gonna pull it or whatever, but it come with the charger, and I guess I put it in there, and you know. But I press the button all this time, that so we never realized it charge. So it a work. Safe to say it a work. So thank you to that parent. And I was saying that I was going to say, you know what she said to me, baby? Say it already. She feel weird because she the only parent who have one gift. And I said no. Like she said, it come like it out of style. And I said no. I said don't think that it is out of style. You don't mind the piece of glue we stuck and show you. So it's probably a cotton too. This week give me so much of to put on. Anyways, me I said no, don't think that it's out of style. And I'm just saying this to say this because just look at those nice, loving. You know, she appreciate what I would have done for her child, and yes, I show how kindness is still out there. But for the fact of she just look at the little part and say out of style, and I would just show say a lot of person I see it fit to just show appreciation either. Where it could have been that money is not readily available too. That could be one, but it could be two things. It could be people just necessarily need to show appreciation, and it could be that money not available. Because you know the world financially heavy now. So when we say heavy, me mean the little things that we used to think about and do, you have to think twice because you say this money can contribute to something else. Not true. Yeah, so it's not that. And then another parent. You heard that? You heard that? She tell me. She said.
From the graduation, me no clap like how me clap this. Me clap till me and me go born when me say boy get yourself a months.
Yeah. Another parent said to me that Miss, I say I'm gonna leave. Because honestly, me I gonna miss you. I'm a little friend. You know what I mean? He just a little vibe. Sometimes you tell him something and he wanna get like you a little laugh.
Because if when him do certificate, then he say pull up bed.
Yeah, the mother said, Miss, tomorrow I'm going to give him a gift to give you. Yeah, so, you know. And then sometimes when some people think it's out of style, when they see one experience do it, they see it, they say, oh, you know. So sometimes somehow we have to make the first step to acknowledge the little mindset that some people are activating. If we say, listen, this is still in style. So, yeah. Anything watching, tell me make gonna know. And if we go drink one like a Starbucks, then me make gonna know. If not, then we still not gonna know what we're going, right? Babe could remind me, send me that vlog. So I should have started vlogging from the moment we were entering the plaza. But I remember we got kiwi. Where go?
Kiwi fresh.
Yeah. I wanted blended strawberry lemonade, but however I got kiwi refresher because then of they don't have any strawberry base or something there, so I had to get this. First I'm trying this. I'm not a refresher fan, honestly. Even the dragon fruit one.
Kiwi can't eat. Tastes bad.
I don't like it.
Can't try where I go. It was not bad for the kiwi. Too dry, you know, taste good.
I don't really like dragon. I don't like refreshers. I'm always a bit funny because taste, you know.
I see able with the key.
Okay, first me try that one here.
No matter. I always have one look for the taste. You tell me that guy if you tell me that I need not take it.
But I don't know if all I refresher they don't taste the same. No, but remember I tell you say it come with the lemonade, so me I think of something different. Have you tried this? What you think about it? I don't like it.
No, well, yeah. I mean, it's not really bad, but I mean, I like it. It's not bad, but I mean, I like it.
I don't like it. Kiwi refresher, I don't like it. No. This is a nah for me. Nah.
You've been talking about patience, hoping for everlasting. You're known for talking crazy. I know it's infatuation. You know how I feel inside. You know what is real and I rock with your vibe, but I don't think that we should tie. Oh no, for real, real deal. So please set me free, just let me be. Oh no, for real, real deal. So please set me free, just let me be.
Oh Lord, guys, whenever update to know when I reach home. As you can see me dash off the week. I don't even know me away from my egg school tomorrow. I don't even know. I come to think about it, I really don't know. But I got home from about literally after 5. I'm like, no. Let me sit there and do. For me go have a shower and come back. You know what I'm saying? I do. Let me turn the camera show now. This report, it's about that time of the year. Reports. Right? It's about that time of the year. So that's why I sit down and do. I try my best to finish them. Yeah. So yeah, push myself to finish. Soon finish. Yep. But that's the update for right now. As soon as I finish, I will go to bed. And nothing else now. Till tomorrow day for that soul, as I said, I don't know what I do with my head. So we see out at the bridge there. When the bridge will come over, we'll cross it. Not true. Alright, so guys, we did end up the vlog last night or whatever. I went to school and I want to share this with Honor that I received another gift. Remember I was saying it in the vlog? So yes, I did receive another one from another parent. So I want to thank that parent too as well for standing out, for being different, for seeing the good in me. And you know, yeah, I'm gonna miss my kids. I'm gonna update you now, Shauna. Only 4 of them come to school today. As I said yesterday was graduation. Only 4 of them. 4 of them. Oh, Maria, look for me. Only 4 of them come to school today, yes. As I showed them, I top off the week. However, I just dry it on and put something on my head to make the lace not show. But that's that for today. So I really want to thank those parents for looking out for me, for, you know, showing. They said thank you on the bag for seeing the good in me, for, you know, just sending their love and their appreciation. So yeah, really thank you parents, really do appreciate it. And this looks like it's cool. Alright, so you guys, so bye, like, share and subscribe. I'm gonna pan the job same way. Also the little people them, but they don't know the shops go. Still gotta make that little. I wanna know, not true. Bye.